Okay.
Go ahead.
Go.
Alright, Josh.
Why are you gonna stop?
Josh, come on. Josh. Just go. Get the fuck out of here. Josh, come on. Josh, where you going? Josh, don't run.
Why would you jump over the fucking...
Josh, wait.
Okay, back up the stairs.
I'm coming with you guys.
Why the hell? It's cold as fuck in here.
It's okay.
I was just gonna videotape you dancing. Why'd you run?
They whispered.
What?
Josh, it's okay. Ow! It's okay, Josh. Get up.
Y'all are so mean to him.
Don't run, Josh. Don't run. Go on, You get an ass whooping. That's your ass whooping, Josh. Oh my god.
So Josh. Why are you on the floor? What the hell? Josh, what did I tell you about letting them in your house? This is why you don't.
Ow! Shit, you doing hard, nigga. You hit your hand with it.
I just want to videotape you dancing.
Dance, Josh.
Go restart the song and go dance. How long are you gonna lay on the floor for? You too. Why are you on the floor? Why the hell are you on the floor? Y'all are gonna give him a heart attack one day. One day he's just not gonna get up.
Then we'll ditch that.
Why is your fly undone?
Yo, we should climb up there and jump on Joel when he gets in there.
Don't climb on the dresser.
The dresser will break, right?
Yeah.
Here, I'll lift you up. Alright,